When looking for the best credit cards in Canada in 2024, it's important to find one that fits your needs. So here are some great options, and these are not just my suggestions, and I'll put it all in the description as well. Number one, you got the cashback cards. These cards let you earn money back on your purchases. For example, if you spend $100, you might get $1 back. Some cards give more cash back for groceries or gas. Number two, travel rewards cards. If you love to travel, these cards are perfect. You earn points for every dollar you spend, which you can use for flights, hotels, or other travel expenses. Number three, you got the low interest cards. If you think you might carry a balance, a low interest credit card can help you save money on interest charges. This means that you pay less when you owe money on the card. Number four, student cards. Many banks offer special credit cards for students. These cards often have no annual fee and help you build credit while you're in school. Number five, you got the no annual fee cards. Some credit cards don't charge a yearly fee. These are great if you want to save money and still get rewards. Before choosing a card, think about what you spend the most on and what rewards you want. Let me know in the comments.